Okay, so in this video we'll see how to install the pre-built package of Kali Linux. Okay, so just open, and basically it's a zip file. You need to extract it. So I already have one 2025.2. so what we are installing now is .3, right? So we'll just go for it. Okay, now I could see that there is a folder created. Okay, so here either I can just import it or I can just click directly over here. Okay, so it automatically got imported. So here you could see that the username is Kali and the password is also Kali. Okay, now click on start. Okay, here give the Kali and Kali. So just minimizing and maximizing the screen. And yes, we have successfully installed the Kali Linux pre-built image. How easy it is, right? The first and foremost thing that we do is to unzip it and click on that and just click on start. That's it. Just enter the password which is mentioned in the description and you have successfully installed the Kali Linux system in your VirtualBox just by importing it. That's it, right? So how easy it is comparing to the version which we have did all this A to Z thing, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in next video.